On Friday, 14th March, Edo State Government, with the Task Force Against Kidnapping, don raid one major hideout for Esan North-East local government area for Edo Central Senatorial District, where dem for demolished abandoned houses and clear bushes along Uzea Itakpe Railway wey kidnappers dey use. This operation na part of the effort of the state government to destroy criminal hideouts and make security better. Governor Special Adviser on Security Ahere Paul come tok say the area na one important place for kidnappers, say dem dey hold victims for the abandoned buildings before dem dey carry dem go other places like Kogi State and Esako West. E come tok say,
we are here because of all those kidnappers to bring this hideout where they are hiding their victim. So this is the railway land they are following. If they kidnap, this is Uzea. If they kidnap in this area, they will bring it to that building. And this is the hideout where they are keeping the victim. We will not rest until kidnapper is zero tolerant in Edo State.
The task force commander SP Michael Aneto come tok say intelligence and recent arrest na im make dem discover the hideout wey lead to the destruction of the buildings. E come assure Edo people say security agencies go continue their work to bring safety back.
Just to add little to what SL Security have said, before coming here today for this demolition, the DPO covering this area, even the Ati local government have done their various investigations. Coupled with the Fulani that were arrested yesterday at Uzea here. This is a very notorious place for them. This road leads to Ama. This is Uzea Olili Road to Ama. It's a notorious place. You can see the railway on yourself. So when they pick somebody from here, they lay ambush here, picks. If it's not convenient for them to follow this road to Itakpe, this railway lead to Itakpe, the other one to Warri. If it's not convenient for them, they use this hideout, this old house, for safekeeping till the next day before they proceed, for some hours before they proceed. That is why the government have decided today we bring down these buildings. At least once these buildings are no longer there, I think it will discourage them, because there will be no longer hideout for them to stay before moving to Itakpe or whatever they are taking to Kene.
Some people wey dey the area call confirmers say e don tey wey criminals don dey use the abandoned houses and bush as hideout to watch and attack victims. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojisele reporting for TMC TV.